Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your mobile phone to your Uconnect system via Bluetooth. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked to avoid distractions. Next, turn on the Bluetooth feature on your mobile phone. Then, navigate to the Settings menu on your Uconnect touchscreen. This initial step is crucial for a smooth and secure connection process, setting the stage for hands-free communication and audio streaming. Once in the Uconnect settings, locate and select the phone or Bluetooth option on your touchscreen display. From there, you will need to choose Pair Device or Add Device to begin the pairing process. Your Uconnect system will then generate and display a unique, typically 6-digit, pairing code. This code is essential for verifying the connection between your vehicle and your mobile phone. Now, on your mobile phone, open your Bluetooth settings and look for your vehicle's name in the list of available devices. Select it to initiate the connection. A 6-digit PIN will appear on both your phone and the Uconnect screen. Confirm these numbers match exactly. Finally, grant permission for your Uconnect system to access your phone's contacts and messages when prompted, completing the secure pairing. With your mobile phone successfully connected, you can now enjoy a range of convenient Bluetooth features. Make hands-free calls safely by using simple voice commands, keeping your focus on the road. You can also stream your favorite music, podcasts, or audiobooks directly from your paired phone. Additionally, manage your phone book and view recent calls right from your Uconnect display, enhancing your driving experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.